Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make the classic smoked old-fashioned. So the ingredients I use is the Maker's Mark, the Angostura bitters, I've got orange version as well, lemon. So I start with smoking the glass first. I use cinnamon sticks. So once you burn the cinnamon sticks until you get a good light, you put the glass over it for the smoke to be released into the glass. After a couple of minutes, once it's released, you could turn over the glass and put in a cube of ice, as so. I'm going to make the mix right now, so I'll put in start off with 1/4 ounce of simple sugar. You can make this on your own. Followed by 2 dashes of the Angostura orange and Angostura bitters, and 2 ounces of Maker's Mark. You stir them properly into your beaker, make sure everything mixes up well, and you pour them into the glass. The smoke would have infused with the ice already. Now you take your lemon, get yourself a peel, and you squeeze it over the top of the glass, and this will extract the oils from the lemon. Then you rub it over the rim of the glass. This will give you the zesty taste every time you take a sip. Enjoy your drink. Cheers everyone.